Day 14, let's go. Today is going to be a little bit of an unconventional video because I'm going to be showing you how to make this. Alright, so I really love the process of making anything in general, and that doesn't stop when it hits thumbnails. I almost see thumbnails as an art in and of themselves, and I'm not talking about how to get a click or anything like that, but like just the design aspect of thumbnails are super interesting to me. So if you're ready, I'm going to run a few time lapses and we're going to see how this was made. So I know this isn't the best method for quality control or anything like that, or high-res images, but what I've been doing for my daily drawing challenge thumbnails is taking a screenshot from the video and scrubbing it through until I find one that fits the video energy or the video title. Specifically, I made a pose for this video, screenshot it, and brought it into Photoshop. And once that was all set up, I duplicated the layer in case I mess up and needed to go back to a clean photo. And then with the pen tool, I started masking out the area manually that I wanted to keep once I decided to close off the shape. And I love this because it's just so clean and precise. I used to use the erase tool. It was a big mess because it's destructive editing. You can't really go back if you don't make a duplicate, and it just works a lot better this way. And now after doing this mask, I can see that I've left out a few spots, so I went back in with the pen tool again and a soft eraser, or soft brush, to kind of smooth everything out and make it seem more natural. Because it's all about those small details that are unnoticeable, and I feel like that mentality of caring about the small details really goes a long way, especially in the thumbnail game. Even though it is like a very small image that not a lot of people will care about, the people that do will like your work that much more because you put that much more effort into it. And from here on out, it's basically just composition, texture brushes, and making sure everything pops well. And that goes into like art composition and art tutorials, which I want to do more videos on in the future. But I think I'm just going to let this roll out and let you enjoy. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed day 14. Hope you got some sort of value out of this. It's not really a tutorial video, just kind of like a time lapse on how I make my thumbnails. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to connect with me, all my links are down in the description below. Come and chat, let's connect, and see you in the next one.